Welcome to the first episode ever of DAFT, the Dumb Apple Farmer Talks. Today we're on to fruit trees and how they're deciding about this year's crop and next year's crop. So the tree uses a lot of energy right now to grow these little fruit. They came through bloom, they set fruit, and that takes a lot of energy. As a result, the tree is starting to look at it and saying, God, I don't have enough energy here to finance everything, so what am I going to do? I'm going to get rid of some of this stuff, right? So every apple blossom has the potential to make a fruit, and blossoms occur in groups of 5. And out of those 5, you can see here, 4 set fruit. Now, as you see here, some of those fruit are curling upwards. Some of them are closing their calyx. If a fruit is curled up and closing that calyx up, it's pretty much for sure going to stay on. But you see this one, open calyx, the stem is turning yellow. This one's going to fall off for sure. This one, the calyx isn't closing up, and you can see the size differential. That one pretty much for sure is going to fall off as well. This one is sort of TBD, right? We don't know what the hell that thing's going to do. I'm not sure it even does. And it's sort of curling up. It's closing the calyx. It may stay, it may not. Who knows?